project. For the fourth and last time of this year, the Poinciana team is extremely proud to present our demonstration of understanding for our Unit 4, the Great War or World War I. In this unit, we have studied the Great War, what elements caused it, what conflicts arose among the nations that took part in it, that ended up in a roughly 80% of the total surface of our planet involved in it, and a total human cost of 20 million people dead. We have analyzed how these countries managed the conflict, their intentions behind joining the war, the final resolution with the peace conferences in Paris, and the end result, the Treaty of Versailles. We have also explored the winners' models when negotiating this treaty, where revenge and thirst for more territory only brought about another world war. Then we asked, what could have been done for this conflict to be avoided? What can we do now to avoid any more conflicts like this one from happening again? So we have created an international code, a constitution of the world that we are going to imagine every nation and community of the world accepts and complies with willingly. This time we address not only conflict resolution rules between nations, but also a relationship with the way we produce energy, a relationship with animals, with the environment, individual rights, and rules of exchange between communities and countries. Our sole intention, create, as usual, a better planet, not only for humankind, but for every living being on her surface. Today's ceremony has the purpose of ratification this Constitution. I hope you enjoy the process and the articles written in it. Without further ado, I yield the floor to one of the delegates of the Fauna Committee, Ava Brasher, who will read the Constitution preamble.
We, the people of this world, on behalf of all humankind, all living organisms in the planet, establish this Constitution of the world to prevent harm and injustice to all living beings. Establish respect for the environment and a courtesy for all living things. This Constitution provides dignity, peace, justice, and equality throughout the planet, along with fair, respectful, and civilized procedures to resolve conflicts amongst nations, communities, and/or all living beings in the planet. This Constitution combines human rights and environmental rights, setting a path for freedom, safety, and happiness, to pursue a more joyful and pleasant existence for all organisms in the world. All representatives of every nation or community must unite together in order to accomplish a worldwide unity on these matters. For this purpose, we have created the following committees. The Energy Committee, who regulates the relationship with the way humans produce energy in the world with respect to Mother Nature and other laws. The Fauna Committee regulates the way humans relate to the animal kingdom. The Environment Committee regulates the way humans interact with nature, the flora and habitat of each region of the world, and the environment in general. It ensures human respect, maintains and improves this relationship between Mother and Nature. The Individual Rights Committee regulates the innate rights of every human and ensures they are respected at all times. The Conflict Resolution Committee regulates how conflicts are resolved amongst different countries and communities. The Exchange Committee regulates trade and exchange of different resources and materials between countries and communities, making sure they are fair and ethical for everyone involved in the entire exchange operation at all times.